Good day, we are Shandong Western Fine Chemical Company Limited, located in Weifang, the beautiful capital city of Chinese kites, which is a manufacturer majoring in producing environmental-friendly vehicles, products, production line and daily chemical production line, including vehicles at blue production line, glass water production line, antifreeze production line, hand soap production line, liquid detergent production line, and dishwashing liquid production line, and etc. We have more than 20 years experience of majoring in producing vehicles liquid products production line and daily chemicals liquid production line. Our competence service is one-stop service, which can provide better professional equipment and after-sales service. We can provide all perspectives of service, including products designing, development of formula, manufacturing, coaching, advertising, qualification, and other related solutions. Our company has an experienced and specialized technical research and development, which concentrates on products quality and technical creating for providing products with good performance to satisfy marketing requirements. We keep the managing goal of quality goes first, customers goes first, improve quality of products and service, offer better equipment and satisfied after-sales service. The capital range of equipment is from several tons to several hundred tons and can be customized and matched according to your requirements for your all demanding. And one set of equipment can be used for producing many daily chemical liquid products for widen your marketing. Our equipment is manufactured by stainless steel and researched and developed with precise technology in order to confirm equipment to satisfy the national standard. They are made with intelligent production technology, intelligent water treatment, intelligent controlling mixing technology, and high-quality packaging technology and others, which can help you reduce members' cost. We keep in creating, researching, and developing for designing updated products and solutions. Only in this way can we meet marketing requirements and maintain advantages of competing. With the continuous development of research and development, we make the daily chemicals aiming to different fragrance according to Asian, European, and African people's life habits, with qualified results of cleaning. Strict quality controlling and administrating system are set from purchasing raw materials, manufacturing, producing, products testing, and after-sales service. Every producing procedures can be controlled strictly for assuring reliable products quality. We rely on research and development technology with the core of functionally studying and producing to put forward leading products of rapidly increasing industry. We possess pretty reputation of brand and popularity. We company have strong willing of cooperating sincerely with domestic and international customers and business partners for developing together and creating a bright future market.